Today we're going to be making a shamrock that'll look perfect with our St. Patrick's Day decorations. Now this shamrock should take us no more than an hour to make, so join me for the ride. To begin building our shamrock, we need insulation foam board. They sell them in sheets of 4 feet wide by 8 feet long, and the size behind me is 2 inches thick. We need a projector. They sell inexpensive ones online, and we're going to print out the outline of a shamrock, or a 3-leaf clover as some people call it. We're going to put it underneath the projector, we're going to shine it on this, turn off all the lights, and then we're going to outline it with a marker. Then I'm going to get my jigsaw, we're going to cut it, and there's 50% of the project, so let's get started. I'm using this Easy Tracer projector. It has a hole in the bottom, and here's the printout, and simply going to put it like that and shine it onto whatever surface I want. Super simple and easy, and these are super inexpensive. So once you have the image you want, I found this outline on Google, you print it out, and this hole in the bottom goes right over the image. And then you turn it on and it'll project it on the wall or whatever surface you have. The further away you get, the bigger the item will be up here on the wall, and the closer you get, the smaller it'll be. So let's turn off the lights. And now let's go trace this out with a marker. And this is what you should be left with. Now we're going to get the jigsaw and cut this bad boy out. So to finish it off, we need to use these paint samples. This is called Poly Green from Valspar. This is $4 at Lowe's. It's for 7.25 ounces. We're going to paint the entire thing. Now in the back, we're using 1/2 inch PVC, and we're going to be using Great Stuff expanding foam. This is window and door. And we're simply going to cut the PVC just like that, and then apply some Great Stuff expanding foam along the side. And once this dries, then we can paint it green just like we did in the front. To finish, I'm going to be using these gnomes that I found on Amazon. They sell them as a pair, and aren't they super cute? I'm going to be attaching them to the top of it with some hot glue, and then we're ready to set them out.